How to create and brand your digital product, specifically a YouTube channel, Celebrity Media. I'll show you exactly how I used ChatGPT to create and brand a digital product. In this case, a YouTube channel in the celebrity media niche. First, I opened a new chat session with ChatGPT, selected my preferred model, and asked ChatGPT to take on the role of a digital product and brand designer. Why specifically this role? Because I wanted ChatGPT to help me professionally structure my content, design a strong visual identity, and strategically brand my digital product, ensuring maximum impact and audience engagement. I began by asking ChatGPT to clearly define and analyze the niche celebrity media. The response I received detailed the target audience's demographics and psychographics, their primary interests, behaviors, and even the optimal times to publish content for maximum visibility and engagement. Next, I asked ChatGPT to brainstorm and propose several unique and attractive channel names. After reviewing multiple suggestions, I chose my favorite, the Star Society. Then I asked for help creating a YouTube handle, an engaging channel description, powerful keywords, and catchy hashtags. The response provided detailed branding elements designed specifically to increase the visibility and attractiveness of my channel. Following that, I requested detailed instructions for creating attractive clickbait headlines, concise 3-word headlines, and brief descriptions optimized for capturing viewers' attention quickly. ChatGPT clearly highlighted essential elements like sensationalism, emotional triggers, and provocative wording, explaining that such headlines not only intrigue viewers but dramatically increase the likelihood they'll click and remain engaged. I also specifically asked ChatGPT about optimizing search engine optimization metadata, including titles, descriptions, keywords, and tags. In response, it thoroughly explained why structured SEO elements are vital, because they allow YouTube's algorithms to clearly understand and categorize the content, thus significantly improving the video's discoverability. ChatGPT provided practical instructions on choosing strategic keywords and correctly using tags and categories to drive organic traffic and boost video rankings. Additionally, I emphasized the importance of formulating clear and structured prompts when using AI tools like ChatGPT. In response, ChatGPT detailed exactly how creating precise prompts ensures I receive comprehensive, high-quality, and relevant responses, ultimately resulting in a professional and engaging digital product. Finally, I asked ChatGPT to help me develop detailed design concepts for my logo and YouTube banner. I specified a clean, modern, and minimalist style suitable for the Star Society. ChatGPT responded by suggesting specific concepts, colors, typography, and visual elements to authentically represent my channel's message, elegance, extravagance, and contemporary appeal. I started with simple yet powerful logo concepts suggested by ChatGPT, clearly incorporating brand initials for instant recognition. Then, following ChatGPT's guidance, I designed a visually appealing YouTube banner, carefully selecting colors, lighting effects, and elements inspired by music, cameras, and luxurious details, enhancing the channel's professional appearance. With this thoughtfully planned visual identity created collaboratively with ChatGPT, I aim to significantly boost my channel's visibility, audience engagement, and overall content quality. At the end of this video, you'll see the final professional designs I've created using Canva, clearly showcasing branding visuals ready for immediate use on your YouTube channel. If you're interested in learning more about how powerful AI tools can improve your design process even further, stay tuned. In my next tutorial, I'll explain exactly how you can leverage artificial intelligence to create outstanding videos and digital products.